Hi children, today I am going to give the summary of Chittiyon में Europe. Chittiyon में Europe. The author writes a letter to his wife and children describing the weather in Europe. In this lesson, which is written by a writer named Somdatta, writing this letter out of love for their children and wife, the writer went on a trip to Europe. In this lesson, he discusses the living style, culture, and food habits there. The weather here is great, and it's been a week since I came. It is the spring season here currently, and I can see the leaves fell off trees. There is one tree that is green though. In the new year, everyone planted trees in front of their houses. The flowers are red and purple in color and look like a white lily. There are also yellow and red flowers, but they don't smell that good. It's Sunday today. I completed my lunch and just sat down to write you a letter. I ate yogurt first in my day, and then I had this soup. The vermicelli in the soup is long and thin. I also had ice cream, rice, and stew which in the curry. I also had a dessert which is the sour grape pulp. There is also bread, butter, jam, and honey. All are 30 grams in a small sized box. The Danube River flows through the center of town and it actually passes through most countries of Europe. The town of Novi Sad can be found on a map. I have collected Italian coins, Yugoslavian coins, Indonesian coins, Mauritius tickets for you. But all the goods here are very costly, so friends recommended not to buy them. I remember you a lot whenever I see kids in the market here every day. There are river cruise lines here and in Hungary. Football is the most popular sport here, and lots of people generally play only football in this country. The table tennis championships are going to be held from April 14th to 20th. The Indian children who are here speak and dress like Europeans. Children are very interested in skating here. The playground is visible from my room window. Right now, everyone is playing football. One team wore a white jersey and another wore a red one. There are 22 in total and from these 17 countries: Malta, Mauritius, Mexico, Bolivia, Nigeria, Mali, Angola, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Jordan, Indonesia, India, China, Korea, and Thailand. There is a person from Nepal named Tank Prasad Dhakal, and he speaks 2 languages. We will be traveling in the university bus tomorrow to visit the poultry farm. We went to a bridal party yesterday, and the bride wore a large white gown with a white hat. I will write about the rest of the things in another letter. You try to get an aerogram from Gautam and write a letter to me. Be good and don't bother mom. With love, your father. The motto of this lesson is to tell everyone through the letter as to how different is the foreign culture and food habits when compared to Indian culture. Children, I hope you understood this lesson. We shall meet in the next video. Bye.